Hello all and welcome back. This video will be about how to go about the week-by-week assignments that you're going to have with the course. The other video covered the syllabus and the Getting Started page. If you haven't seen that video yet, make sure to watch that one first. So again, this video covers how you're going to do your assignments for each week of the course. And all of those can be accessed right over here in the course units page. So we're going to click on that, and that opens up a list of every different unit that you're going to do during the course. Each one of these units starts Sunday at midnight. Sunday at 12 a.m. rather, and you'll have all day Sunday until Saturday at 11:59 p.m. to finish that unit. Some of the things you'll need to do by Tuesday at midnight. All of the discussions you'll need to respond to the first part by Tuesday at 11:59 p.m. And then you'll need to do follow-ups for everyone else by Saturday at midnight. So let's go ahead and click on the first unit here and go through what you'll be expected to do in that unit. The first page of every unit looks like this, and it will have a brief overview of what you're going to be doing in the class that week. This one is for week 1. It's going to discuss familiarizing yourself with good writing, learning reading tips. It's going to have some stuff to familiarize yourself with the personal narrative, and you'll have several samples of those. That's going to be most of the reading that you do this week. And finally, you will have a discussion board assignment that you will complete. You'll sign up for different groups, and you will engage with your group members there. And you will have a diagnostic writing sample assignment, where you'll complete a short essay talking about what you want to do in the university. This is not your personal narrative. This is a diagnostic that's designed to show me where you're at as a writer and what your strengths and weaknesses are. So once you're done looking over this first page, you're going to click this arrow and go to the next page. And this is how you navigate through each part of the course. This next part here is a discussion of what good writing is. It should not take you very long to read. You'll start with Shakespeare here, and then you'll go on to the next part. It's going to talk about rhetoric. It's going to talk about using logos and pathos and those kinds of things. Logical appeals. And all the other things that go into good writing and making sure that your writing is accurate and that it's being honest. So read through this, and then to the next part. This is a short video. It's 7 minutes and 30 seconds long, discussing how to do some of the readings in here. You're going to be reading quite a lot in this class. There are some very long readings in this episode of class alone, probably 50 pages of reading. So you're going to need to be efficient about it. You're going to need to be smart about it so that you don't read through all of that stuff and then blank completely on it. It happens to all of us. The trick is to take good notes, and the trick is to do a lot of the other stuff that this guy says. So watch this video and learn about some of those things before you go on to the actual reading parts. The next part here, this is just a very brief discussion of what academic writing means. Academic writing is the kind of writing that we do in the college setting. Again, it's designed to be as supposed to be as honest as possible. It's supposed to give credit to the people that you're using ideas from. It's supposed to use ideas from other people and put them together to make your own ideas. So read through this, make sure that you understand it. And then down here is a citation resource that you can look at. This is some citation help that we can get through the library here at the school. It includes MLA and APA, which are the two citation styles that we'll be using in this course. On to the next. Now here is all of the readings that you're going to be doing, the main portion of readings that you'll have for this class. These are all examples of personal narratives, and it talks about here what a personal narrative is. It's a story, of course, that you're telling about your own life, and each one of these is a good examples of that. This one is a video. The rest of these are ones that you'll have to read, and if you click on them, it'll open a link to either the article or the PDF. This first one is pretty long. This is 18 pages, I think. Yeah. So that's about a chapter worth. The next one is pretty short. This one I think is just 2. And then this one here is... this one's a little deceptively short, actually. It looks a lot longer than it is. Oops. And the last one here, again, is a video. It's about 20 minutes long. That's a lot of work that you'll have for this class in here. Make sure that you have that done and you're ready to respond to it before Tuesday night. The next part here is a short video about navigating the library. We're going to be using the library a lot in this class, and the library will be doing a lot of the work for us in this class. We're going to have different modules that you'll do. We'll start with the first one next week. And those modules will help you learn how to use the library and how to do research through it. Your library is essential to all the research you're going to do in the school, and so it's important to know all the ins and outs of it. Next part here. This is an icebreaker assignment that you're going to do. You're also going to sign up for groups for the first time here. What you'll do is you will go here where it says click to launch, and you will see a list of 6 different groups here. I already clicked sign up for groups, so I'm in this one now. But once you've clicked it, you'll come to a page like this. Once you select a group. Select a group that has people in it already, and let's try to get as many people into those groups as possible. There aren't 24 people in here, but there are 6 groups, so we'll end up with the wrong number of people if we do it that way. Once you're in here, you'll be able to access today's lesson by going to the discussion board. The group discussion board, that's what you're clicking, and it'll take you to this page. So on this page, you'll be able to make your initial post, and you'll be able to make your follow-up posts once your group members respond. For your initial post, what you will do is you will follow these instructions here. By Tuesday at 11:59 CT PM, share an initial post with your group. Your initial post should include your answers to number 1, as well as a short 200 to 300 word response to one of the following 3 prompts. So number 1, you will respond to this one. Introduce yourself to the group. As part of your introduction, locate an image online that best symbolizes how you feel as you prepare for your first semester in college at OLLU, if this is your first semester. Otherwise, just tell us how you feel with an image. Include a link to your image and describe the image you have chosen with 1 word. You should probably also talk about yourself some in there. The next parts here, 2, 3, and 4, pick one of these and just respond to it. You can talk about what good writing is, you can talk about your understanding of social justice, or you can talk about the personal narrative and what it is. Any one of those is fine. So make sure that you've done all of that by Tuesday at 11:59. By Saturday at 11:59, you will need to go back in here and respond to each of your group members that have, all the ones that have responded on time at least, you'll need to have given responses to. Go into each one of their pages, write a solid response to each one. 5 to 8 sentences, I would say, is probably pretty good. Maybe a little less than that. But give them, respond to them, build on whatever it is that they're saying. That's what I'm looking for. Show that you're being thoughtful about it. Show that you're thinking about what they're writing. And You don't have to do that for number 1, I guess. Probably as much. Yeah, so by the end of the week, you should have 2 posts of your own, and you should have 3 posts, 1 for each of your peers. Okay, and then every week you'll have another one of these that you'll end up doing. Okay, and the last one here that you will have, if we go back to here, clicking to the last page, you'll see this. This is the diagnostic writing assignment, and this is due Saturday at midnight. Create a diagnostic writing sample. Engage in reflective writing as a means to process learning and increase writing frequency. So what you're going to do here is you are going to create an essay, introducing yourself as a new undergraduate student to Our Lady of the Lake University. In your essay, explain why earning a college degree is important to you. Make sure to incorporate other elements into your essay, including why you chose to enroll in the Lake and what major you have selected. Also describe your strengths and weaknesses as a writer, as well as your goals that you wish to achieve in your first semester of college. You'll need to plan out your essay, invent, write, draft, and proofread your diagnostic essay independently. Please time your work, and in your submission include the total time you spent on the essay. And then here's a list of things that you're going to need to make sure to do. I can't give you very much more instruction on this than I already have because it's a diagnostic and I need to see what you're already capable of now. So if you don't know what one of these is, make sure to look it up. Introduction and conclusion, you'll need a thesis. Make sure to underline and put it in bold. Topic sentences for each of your paragraphs, which you'll also need. Logical progression of ideas, organization, specific detail, and polished mechanics and grammar. Make sure that you use MLA format, and if you don't know what MLA format is, look that up. Once you have finished that, write all of this as a Word document, save it, and submit it here. So you'll just browse local files, and it'll be in there somewhere. It should be like the most recent thing. And then press submit. Alright guys, that should cover everything. If you get lost or confused, or if anything that I said didn't make sense, please send me an email, and I will try to clarify whatever's going on. Good luck everyone, and see you all in the discussion thread.